Yeah, my name is Monkey Duff, aka MKD. Yeah, I've been doing music for like long time now. Started music when I was like 16, 17 in Nigeria. Oh, it was like I played it at the first time, but it kept going and all that, yeah. Then Nigeria I was jobless, no job, had to go to Ghana after graduating and all that. Went to Ghana, hustled a bit, came back to Nigeria, then my family pushed me to UK. Now I'm still in the UK doing the same shit, same music thing, you know what I mean? So it's like a hobby to me at the moment. Right about now I'm floating name for my fans. I call my fans Motivians. This word is cropped from the word motives. What's your motive in life? What's your motive? That's it. My motive is making music, to touch the life of people, make people happy, just have fun, chill, keep yourself alive, you know what I mean? Yeah, and my priority is looking after my son, 'cause I got a son. Then looking after my family, and supporting my genuine friends, and supporting humanity. That's just what I want to do. Motivians, be ready for the saga. Bless up.